There are an increasing number of people who take on the process of low-carb eating believing that it will help them for their weight loss. However, there is still an existing and hottest question when dealing with low-carb eating, and that is if low-carb eating a healthy way of life. So what then is the answer? Find out here. Speaking of the low-carb eating, it is a common consideration that it is not important to count calories in the low-carb eating lifestyle. As such, you have the freedom to eat as much as you want and whenever you want. But despite this truth behind the low-carb eating lifestyle, many experts have noted this as never a healthy way of life. Many people are indeed metabolically resistant. So in instances like this, the proper way of reducing food intake may aid the dieters to motivate or sustain the consistent weight loss that they wish. Still, when talking about low-carb eating, it is the carbohydrates that must be kept low, not the calories. To further support the view, it is a given fact that in low-carb eating lifestyle, you are definitely been eating fats and oils. As such, you rarely ever be hungry for in general, those foods that are high in fat are ever satisfying. A high-fat eating coupled with a low-carb eating supplements will tell your body that it is not starving just like the case of fasting, but rather your metabolism in this stage maintains a normal level. So while consuming fat is one of the prerequisites for a healthy low-carb eating, it is then necessary to limit the consumption of trans fats like margarine. Instead of that, it is recommended that you use real butter, for it is a good fat. And for your interest, good fats are found in olive oil, flaxseed oil, canola oil, and oils that are greatly found in nuts. So then, is low-carb eating healthy? Well, on a low-carb eating, you can definitely lose weight constantly and it can reduce your insulin levels, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and even stabilize your blood sugar, which is of course great for diabetics. And since in low-carb eating, you will be taking less fruits and vegetables, it is then necessary that you take a good full-spectrum multivitamins and fiber supplements. It is also important to consider that the main purpose of the low-carb eating is to bring your body chemistry and insulin level back into balance. And so to make this, you need to take a diet that is unbalanced in the opposite direction of the way that you have been eating for the rest of your life. If you like the video, click the like button and share it with your friends, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more video updates.